Hello, we are here to try these entenmanns. Sure I'm not pronouncing that correctly. Baker's Delights, and this is their mini brownie cakes with chocolate chips. They're individually wrapped. There are
8 of them.
8 of them in the package. What's the calorie count for one?
Calories. Oh, 220.
What's the sugar content?
That would be, looking for it. See, I'm blind, so this is the problem. Sugars, 20 grams.
And sodium.
Sodium is 140 milligrams per one full.
Yeah. So, they look nice. Smells like a brownie.
Oh, actually, yeah. Nice and moisture.
The brownie part is very much like a cake instead of a brownie.
Still dense though, because it has that brownie feel to it.
I give this a 4 out of 5 stars.
Yeah, that's a solid 4. If you like chocolate chip, cake kind of stuff, just barely going to brownie type style, yeah, you'll like it.
Yeah, it's sweet. It's pretty sweet. So if you're not a fan of sweet stuff, this would not be for you.
And yeah, I could, if I ate one of those, it'd be too much.
Yeah, one would be
so
more
sharing,
than enough.
Sharing between me and her, that'd be perfect.
Yeah. I would get this again. This is pretty tasty. I'll look and see if I can find some kind of link online. If I can, I'll put it below. If you've ever tried these before, what did you think of them? And if you haven't tried these before, are you a fan of brownies in general? I know some people love brownies, some people hate them. Me, it really depends on the texture of it. The overly sticky, thick, gooey brownies oftentimes overpower me, but something like this, it's more on the cakey texture. That's right up my alley. Yeah, good stuff. Thank you so much for watching this review. And we'll see. How much did we pay for this? Remember?
I don't remember. $4.
It was under $5.
Okay, so it's 4 something probably.
And we bought it at Walmart. So, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.